Welcome to my channel Brainblitz. Are you ready for the ultimate general knowledge 45 questions quiz? Let's start the quiz. What is the smallest country in the world? It's Vatican City. What is the largest terrestrial animal in the world? African elephant. Which desert is considered the largest hot desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Which two countries are known as the Land of Fire? Argentina and Chile. What is the largest animal in the world? Blue whale, good job. Which country currently has the largest population in the world? The correct answer is India. On average, how many liters of blood does a person have? Between 4 to 6 liters of blood. What is the largest country in the world? Russia. After the Bible, what is the best-selling book in the world? The Quran. Which country has the highest life expectancy in the world? Monaco. What is the maximum number of players on each team during a soccer match? "11 players. How long does it take for the sun's light to reach Earth? "8 minutes. What are the names of the first couple created by God? Adam and Eve. To whom does the famous speech, "I have a dream," belong? Martin Luther King. Which country is considered the youngest in the world? South Sudan. Who was the first woman to travel into space? Valentina Tereshkova. Which animal produces the loudest sound? Blue whale. What is the longest river in the world? The correct answer is Nile River. Who is the inventor of the vaccine? Edward Jenner. Which of the following countries is located on 2 continents? The correct answer is Turkey. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Who wrote the book Don Quixote? Miguel de Cervantes. In which year did films start having sound? The correct answer is 1927. What is the world's largest island? Greenland. What is the capital of Russia? The correct answer is Moscow. What is the world's largest freshwater lake in terms of volume? Baikal Lake. Who is known as the king of pop music? Michael Jackson. What is the name of the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the capital of Spain? The correct answer is Madrid. What is the world's largest cold desert? Antarctica Desert. What is the heaviest metal? The correct answer is gold. What is the second book of the Old Testament in the Bible? The correct answer is Exodus. What is the largest bone in the human body? The correct answer is femur. Which is the most populous country in South America? It's Brazil. What is a group of giraffes called? The correct answer is herd. In which year was the Treaty of Versailles signed? Which country's flag is this? The correct answer is Greece. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The correct answer is Jupiter. Who is known as the King of Rock? Elvis Presley. Which is the most populous country in Europe? The correct answer is Russia. Who is considered the king of reggae? Bob Marley. What is the most populous country in Africa? The correct answer is Nigeria. Which language has the most native speakers? Mandarin Chinese. Which city is known as the World City? The correct answer is London. How many bones do we have in our ear? 3 bones.